Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Minaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to reply to an email in Gmail. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome browser, and then next step ay kailangan lang natin click to Gmail account. And then madadirect tayo dito sa ating Gmail inbox. So kung paano ba natin replyan yung isang email. So ang next step, sinik mo lang dito kung anong email yung gusto mong replyan. So open lang natin itong isang email. And then kung paano ba natin ito replyan. So dito lang sa right side, makikita mo itong arrow na yan. Ito yung reply, and then click mo lang yan. And then naman next ay makikita mo dito sa baba yung reply compose dito mga kaibigan. So, pwede mo na itong replyan. Ayan. So, wala ka nang ibang gagawin kundi dito lang. So, pwede ka namang mag-add dito ng another attached details mga kaibigan. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to reply to email in Gmail. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.